afternoon, everyone. I'm W1 Gordon. I'm from BATUK Logistics Support. We are here at Wamba Nomadic Girls Center, and just to mark Women's Day, we have come up here to share some of the things that BATUK wanted to donate to these girls. Today we've donated things like school uniforms, food. We've also donated 2 washing machines.
I'm Major Mark Utley, the SO2 CSS from the Log Support Branch in BATUK. 1 year on from donating mattresses to the Wamba Girls Support Centre, you can see behind me that they continue to utilise them correctly, getting that sleep for that valuable time at school.
Hi, my name is Gemma Utley. This is my second time here. So nice to see all the children happy with big smiles on their faces. It's just amazing, all the support we're getting off everybody, and I'm absolutely blown away.
Hello, my name is Emily and I'm really proud to be here with the girls. I'm so proud of the work that has been done. This is a really good initiative. The girls have come a long way, and the more the better. We're calling on anyone who would like to partner with Wamba Nomadic Girl Rescue Center to come and partner with us.